GR10 stage 28, but with a difference as we're starting at the end point, Arles, and climbing to the high point, Pic de la Harge, and then back. The walk started through woods, past unmanned refuges where we stopped to top up our water from a spring, and then up above the tree line. 3 hours in, we'd already climbed around 1,500 metres and had magnificent panoramic views. And then we hit the French-Spanish border with views towards the Pyrenees' highest mountains, including Aneto at over 3,400 metres and lunch. Today, 35,000 steps, 6.5 hours, 25 kilometres, and the descent brought us face to face with an ibex. Pretty cool.